Hello everyone, I am Janapati Srinu. Who are watching first time my video, subscribe my channel and share to your friends. SSC Phase 11 notification is given today on 26/02. Actually it is uploaded on 26/02/2024, but we got today this notification here. They mentioned to be uploaded on the website 26/02/2024. So this is a SSC Phase 12 notification 2024. Actually for this post so like any degree and SSC intermediate different qualifications are there for different posts, so that I will explain you in detail. Here what is the date for submission of online application is 26/02/2024 and to 18 March. So only one thing you just remember, for while doing SSC just apply before 1 week only. Means like if you are you want to start from here, it is okay. Don't apply on 18th because 18th is very server like very busy. 18th, 16th, 17th, those 3 days at the last date of 3 days the server is very busy. Be cautious in that. Last date for making the fees payment is 19/03/2024. Many of my friends got SSC phase recruitment. In this what happened, like in this generally they will ask the particular degree. Let's say BSc chemistry. So BSc chemistry people can only apply for that job. Let's say BSc maths, BSc MPC, BA, BCom, different fields. Any degree sometimes they will ask. So engineering graduates can apply for that post. So these posts are very like less competition compared to the normal SSC exams. Everyone will thought SSC is very difficult to crack, but these posts are very easy to crack if you apply number of posts. Means like in this there is a different regions. SSC I will explain you. First go one by one first. So these are the 18/03/2024, 19/03/2024. This is the dates, and tentative date for the examination is 6/8 May 2024. These detailed instructions I am not going to I don't want to read. I don't want to waste your time. Simply I will explain how the procedure is. So this is a procedure of how to apply. First SSC username, and first you just type the SSC Staff Selection Commission. After that you will see this page. In this username, password. So you are the first time user, just click on the new user. Okay, after click on the new user you will get into different window. So that in that you have to fill all your details. So then you can get your registration ID and password through mobile number verification, mail ID verification. So then you can log in your details in that directly. You can log in and you can fill your application. Here you can see for there is a age relaxation is there for OBC post, and they are asking some caste certificate in the format. On last date is crucial date is for the essential, and caste date is given on 18/03/2024. And simply like if you move on, age limit for different posts is contains different age limit that we can see in the particular post. So there is a age relaxation for SC/ST, OBC candidates and PWD candidates, that you just keep in mind. Next I just explain little bit brief how to apply. There is a fees payment is ₹100 for each post. For example, if you are applying the post in South region, so if you want to apply the different post in the Central region or somewhere Northeast region, Northwest region, different, but you have to fill the different applications. You have to make the different fees payment for that. And one more thing you just remember, for all exams, like we can say, like for example you are appearing for the like degree level posts. So for all level it is only one exam will be conducted. For all posts one exam will be conducted. You should not, like if you are applying for 20 posts for the on the basis of degree, that means you should write it is not like that you should write 20 exams. It is not like that. So you just fill the 20 applications individually, pay the like 20 post fees like differently, but you should appear for the exam is only one time. That is actually like on degree basis, on inter basis you are applying. Inter basis is only one time exam. It is a single one time exam only. There is no particular interview for the group like group B, group C post. So these next I will explain the scheme of examination. Already everyone knows there is 100 questions. If it is in matriculation level or higher secondary or graduation and above level, whatever it is, you will get only 100 questions. Into 2 marks is around 200 marks is exam, and at 60 minutes, only 1 hour. You just keep in mind 100 questions you have to solve in the 60 minutes. There is a 0.05 means like half mark is negative for each question. If you make the wrong answer, you just keep in mind, and just in this SSC exam just speed is required. For matriculation level they given the syllabus, here just go through it, and graduation level given the syllabus like this, you just go through it. These are the process. I don't want to discuss in detail here. Here something is written highlighted. Candidate who are shortlisted for the next stage of scrutiny, they should scrutiny will be required to submit self-attested copies of educational qualifications, experience, category post. So that you should keep in mind. All qualified candidates found clear scrutiny stage category post will be called for a document verification. Who are qualified, they will give some cut-off marks. Scores marks for candidates will be disclosed, made available on the website of concerned regional offices at the time of declaration of final results. Next, applications candidate are liable to be cancelled, means like don't make unnecessary like different things, non-payment of fees not. So then if you will do that, definitely they will they will reject your application. That's what they are saying. So this is type of malpractice, it is not required. So we'll go by next. I will show the posts, like what are the posts they given. Here I will directly go to here. Already they given detail, like see once I will explain like one time registration specimen. First you have to register one time user, login or register, what I told you, this one thing. Then after that you have to fill your details and confirm. So these are the details you have to fill. There is a application form is available, like mock application. You have to create everything. After that, this is a just registration process. After that, part 2 means like online application process. We have to submit our application by using different. It is the process. We have to log in using your details. Just fill your details, everything, and write your qualification, experience, everything. Just write it, submit. That's it. These are the certificates they are given. It is not mandatory for now. First we have to qualify the exam, then only we can write the exam. So these photo must be clear. This keep in mind. Don't put caps and specs, black specs. Yeah. Now I want to explain the posts. While going to apply for particular post in the part 2 application, simply you just type the post name. Then if first check the eligibility there. Here equivalent qualification they mention like higher secondary 10+2. So in that some experience may or may not, don't know, but we have to select the post details and check the clear qualification, essential qualification. Here the post given, different posts. You can apply anywhere. For example, if you are in Telangana or Karnataka or somewhere, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, wherever, that means you are thinking that you are only eligible for south region. It is not like that. It is like you can apply anywhere in India, in any region you can apply. That is only you just keep in mind. According to that, there is a lot of posts are there given. These are the 4 main. For example, this is the Faridabad. Faridabad is nothing but, see here, this is only department. Department is only Central Research Institute Kasuli. This is only department. So here all these related to north region. North region covers some states. After that we can see the, like here, central region. Central region like Madhya Pradesh, it will be covers. You can check and apply maximum, try to apply maximum posts, because there is a maximum possibility that you can get. I also appeared SSC like last phase or something. I also qualified, called for the document verification. Very simple, just apply. Even one post is there, just that's it, apply. You can think, someone will think that if one post is there, I may get, may not get. So for one post only, very, like sometimes very less competition will be there. That what I want to say that. Then here eastern region will covers different posts. You just apply based on your qualification. Next, MPR, Madhya Pradesh region, western region is there. You just apply any number of regions, any number of posts, but you should apply different post code, and you just apply the pay the different fees. And actually you have to appear based on the intermediate you are applying. You have to appear only one exam is fine. That's it. This is all about the SSC Phase 12 Notification 2024. Please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you.